If you want to delete your Instacart account permanently, follow these steps to ensure your account is removed successfully. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Instacart website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account you wish to delete. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Find the delete account option. In the account settings menu, look for an option related to account management or privacy. There should be a section that allows you to delete or deactivate your account. Step 4. Follow the deletion process. Click on the delete account option and follow the prompts. You may be asked to confirm your decision and provide a reason for leaving. Step 5. Confirm deletion. After completing the prompts, you should receive a confirmation that your account has been scheduled for deletion. Make sure to check your email for any final confirmation from Instacart. Once you have completed these steps, your Instacart account will be permanently deleted. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Instacart's customer support.